What's up, Profit Insider family? I hope everybody's having a nice weekend. I hope everybody is enjoying their holiday. If you're celebrating Easter or Good Friday, I hope you're having a nice holiday. So I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown today of my strategy and how one of our members used my strategy to pass a funded account challenge in 1 week. So a funded account challenge, if you don't know, is basically where you pay a few $100s, you pay $300 or so, and you get $100,000 of a company's capital to trade with, and you keep the profits you make, right? So let's say you make $10,000 of this $100,000, you actually keep $9,000, and then you're able to take that money, fund your own trading account, or buy whatever you would like with it. So it's a nice way to go from a little bit of money to a nice sum of money, right? So you can see on the 22nd, he made $1,000, and then if we come down to the 25th, he made $600, right? And then you come down to the 26th, he made $950. And then you come down to the 27th, $690. And then you come down to the 27th again, he made $1,000. He kept making more money that day. And then we go to the 28th, and I want to show you guys this. This is actually really cool. He had his best day ever, right? On the 28th, he had his best day ever. So he passed the funded account in 1 week using our strategy. Now, what is our strategy? Let's get right into it, right? So let's look at S&P 500. So our strategy uses opens, highs, and lows, right? Opens, highs, and lows, and closes of candles, right? And not only of candles, but of sessions. The reason I say candles is because candles are pretty much just a compressed unit of time, right? So, for example, the 1 day candle is comprised of 6 4-hour candles, right? So that's how candles work, and that's how time works on the chart. But let's look at it real quick. So this is a Asia Open. You guys can see we actually came down and tested this Asia Open perfectly, and we bounced up a lot. This was on FOMC, and this was not only an open, but this was an open and a low, right? So that's a nice confluence, an open and a low. These are very, very strong levels. So one of our members actually took a trade during FOMC and made a nice profit. And let's look at it a little bit more, right? So where can you take some shorts right here? You can take some shorts off of this low, or this Asian high. This Asian high, you could short it down, you could target the low, you could actually use the low as a demand zone to buy price back up, right? To buy price back up. And then you can also see right here, this was right around a London high. What happened when we broke through the London high? We went up, right? So these zones are very, very strong. Let's actually find another zone real quick. Oh, this is great, beautiful, right? So we can actually draw out another zone real quick right here on the London high. So that would be like right around here. I'd mark this whole candle. And this is a great spot to take some shorts, right? So you can see if we don't break through this London high, you can set a short position, you can set a sell position, you can take some puts. Great trade. I fucking love this strategy. This strategy is so nice because it's very simple. It's opens, highs, and lows, right? Of previous sessions. And why is there so much liquidity around these sessions? Because the banks are placing large orders around these areas, right? The banks are placing multi-million-dollar orders around opens, highs, and lows, right? Because they need liquidity. So what do we want to do? We want to trade with the banks, right? These people have hundreds and billions of dollars, right? Billions of dollars. So we want to trade with them, not against them, right? Some of you trade against the banks, and you always get your stop loss hit. You always lose money. It's because you're trading against the flow of the market. You have to trade with the flow of the market, right? So, and then if we go up, we can see that we actually rejected off of this previous high, which was the all-time high a little bit, right? So that would have been a nice short to take right here. And this stuff works, right? This stuff always works because it's very simple. And we're using what actually works in the markets, right? So if we look at Asia high, once again, what do we have here? We have a perfect retest of this level, which then turns into a perfect short opportunity. This stuff works, right? And it works, it's simple, and people make money with it, right? So how exactly did our member make this happen, right? How did he make this happen? How did he make all this money by using our strategy? So we can come down into the futures game plan. So every single morning in the futures game plan for premium, I actually send a full game plan of what price is going to do, of what I believe price is going to do. And the reason I say what price is going to do is because I'm very accurate, right? So you can see right here, I said we might bounce off of this zone, right? What did we do? We bounced off of this zone. Bam. Right? Like, I said we're going to bounce off this zone. Huge bounce off the 5180 zone. I outlined it. It happened, right? Once again, you all can see We've broken through the demand zone. We're testing Asian low. Right, and I actually want to show you guys once again how accurate this stuff is. I mean, it just plays out, right? I say we're going to bounce off of here. We bounce right off of the London Open. Look at that. I cannot fake this. I literally said we're going to bounce off the London Open. I was saying we're going to see how price reacts to all of these zones. Right, let's watch price closely and look at the London. Right? Bam. Bounce right at the London Open. So this stuff just works, right? And then I said we're going to reject off this level, right? I literally said we can see price fall down off of this level right here, 5240. 5240, bam, beautiful rejection. Let's go in a little deeper on that. Beautiful rejection, right? So this is what I do, and that's one of the trades that our member took, Dripto. Great guy, I've known him for a while. He's using our strategy, he's using our mindset resources, and he's just a really smart dude. He's a smart learner, so I love to have him on the team, and I love to see him utilizing our strategy and our game plan in order to make money, in order to pass the challenge, right? So that's what this stuff's all about, guys. It's about passing challenges, it's about making money, it's about developing a great strategy, and just having a great community, right? So that was just a little peek of how my strategy works and how one of our premium members used our strategy in order to make some damn money, right? So I hope that everybody has a great weekend. Hope that everybody's spending some time with their family. I'm actually out here on the beach right now. Don't know if you can see, but I hope everybody has a great day, right? So I'll talk to you all soon.